been a specialist in employment law for years. That specialty started to build actually in the 1980s, shortly after I started working. So it's always been a part of what I was doing. I was combining it with some other areas of practice, but the employment field began to grow for me in the 1980s. There was a recession early in the 1980s, resulting in a lot of layoffs. Something we hadn't seen before. People typically worked all their lives for employers still, but things changed in the 1980s. At the time, we didn't know how dramatically they were going to change. I remember starting to do a lot of that work, people being terminated and wanting advice, and thinking, this is keeping me so busy, what will I do when the economy picks up and there won't be this work anymore? That, of course, did not happen. Life really did change, and people started to move around from employer to employer, not just because the employer chose to move them, but because they wanted to move themselves. So that has led to a lot of legal activity in the workplace. It has just grown dramatically over the years, to the point where our employment law practice group is one of the most significant in the firm.